Warm welcome to all our viewers. We have the host Ladakh taking on Rajasthan in this first fixture when it comes to the ice hockey events. We are excited to be in this beautiful location surrounded by hills on our left and right. What a fantastic opportunity for us to bring these games together.
और यहाँ पर विसल बज गई है और हम शुरुआत करते हुए विपिन।
Right, so the warm-up is done. Any moment now, the buck is going to be in action. Opportunity now, right away. Good interception. Coming down the right flank, looking for an outlet pass. Being followed closely there. Good pass into the midfield. Opportunity now, he has an open look at the goal. Is he going to finish? Decides to keep the possession. Round the back. And this is going to be reviewed. Let's take a look at that again. On your screens, comes round the back. On his opposite side, flicks it in beautifully. He has an opportunity one-on-one with the keeper. And he nets this one. No stopping him. You give him that much space in front of the goalkeeper, and Deldan is not going to disappoint. Let's watch that again. One-on-one. Has just the goalkeeper to beat, and then finishes it with aplomb. First 3.5 minutes of action. It's been all white. This time, he sends it in the air. It does cross the goal line. And we will take a minute as the officials review that decision. But from where we were standing, and we got a real good look at that, definitely crossing the goal line. It's almost like we are seeing a goal every minute. Good interception there again. Changing the flanks, looking for that pass. This time decides to work his magic on his own. Surprises everyone with that attempt. Looks left, looks right, and then decides to take the strike on his own. What stand there, finish that with aplomb.
ये स्किल का गेम है। हम देख सकते हैं कि जो बॉल कंट्रोल है लद्दाखी प्लेयर्स का वो राजस्थान के प्लेयर्स से कहीं ऊपर, और एक बार फिर से एक और गोल आता हुआ हम देख सकते हैं कि 4 खिलाड़ी गोल पोस्ट पे थे राजस्थान की तरफ से, पर फिर भी गेंद नहीं बचा पाए और 5-0 पहले ही क्वार्टर में। यहाँ पर जैसे लद्दाखी खिलाड़ी खेल रहे हैं अपना स्टैमिना भरपूर बनाए हुए सब्स्टिट्यूट्स के कारण, ये एक लंबा गोल स्कोरिंग मैच हो सकता है। लद्दाख का ओवरऑल स्किल लेवल एक अलग ही स्तर पर है। बार बार अटैक कर रहे हैं और एक और गोल, एक और गोल पहले ही क्वार्टर में। यहाँ पर 6-0 का स्कोर। विपिन, ये इस वक्त राजस्थान के लिए कहना पड़ेगा पहला ही क्वार्टर इतना भारी हो चुका है।
Spare a thought for the spectators at the other side of the ground. It's almost as if they're being cheated of all the action. Everything happening this side as Ladakh mounts yet another attack. One-on-one with the keeper! And this time round, Harsh has no chance. What a finish! What a finish! Registering himself onto the scoreline. It's the number 8, Stanzin Angachok. Number 8 hits the lucky 7 for Ladakh. 7-0 the scoreline. Last few seconds of this particular period. Can they score another? That's the moot question. And they have the opportunity, but the buzzer comes to the rescue of Rajasthan. What a first period we've had. What a first period. Total dominance by the hosts.
यहाँ पर दूसरा पीरियड शुरू, 7-0 की लीड। लद्दाखी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर दिखाते हुए क्यों वो गढ़ हैं आइस हॉकी का भारत में। सारे के सारे राजस्थान के खिलाड़ी, सारे के सारे 6 खिलाड़ी अपने ही हाफ में, क्योंकि इतना अटैक है लद्दाख के खिलाड़ियों का। और यहाँ पर एक और बहुत ही अच्छी कोशिश और पहला गोल। यहाँ पर लद्दाख ने एकदम आसानी से पहला गोल यहाँ पर दागा दूसरे क्वार्टर का। यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा अंतर है स्किल्स में विपिन, लद्दाख और राजस्थान के बीच।
That's right, and as you called it at that very moment, some beautiful stick work executed there at the near post. Weaving his magic, sets it in for yet another goal. Oh, good finish, good finish. Immediately works his magic and the coach says, come out, let's take a breather. Zahid Ali there, let's watch that again. Beautiful stick work, realizes that Harsh had committed to his left and then places it beautifully on stick side. Here's Rajasthan with an opportunity, with the puck moving a little too fast on the ice and too fast in the air as well. Yet another goal. This time faking to go stick side. Just watch that fake. Beautifully approaches the keeper, fakes to go stick side, and then decides to go towards his left. Slip up there. But there's just no one around from Rajasthan to take an advantage. Because such has been the pressure being applied by this Ladakhi side that you find all the players back in and around their goal, protecting their goal, supporting the goalkeeper as much as possible. What a beautiful pass that was. Brilliant pass. The pass created that magic. The finish was applied by Wasim Bilal, but the pass was where the beauty lied. Served on a platter by Sevang Namgale, and then Wasim worked his magic. Let's watch that again. And remember, you're watching this on slow-mo. The pass came as fast as a bullet. Such has been the maturity of this Ladakhi side. They take their time, build up their offense on each attempt. Yet another goal. This time from the left. Moving the puck fast and quick. And that's when the captain registers himself on the scoreboard. Jamba Statan, just too fast, stops the puck and on the reverse, bats it home for yet another goal. Takes his team's tally to 13. 2.5 minutes left in this period. Will Ladakh be able to reach that number of 15? 15 goals in 2 periods. Here he is, an opportunity. And there comes the finish. On the left of the goalkeeper, finding that space. Let's watch that again. You give him an open look, And the puck was just too fast for Harsh there. Let's watch that again. Beautifully done. Harsh had committed himself to protect the turf, but lifting that puck beautifully for yet another goal. Oh, well done. Well done indeed. Zahid Ali missed that sitter a minute or so ago, but this time round he was not going to repeat that mistake. Gets an opportunity, has the quickest hands in front of goal there. Before Harsh could react, before the defender could react, he had that flick done and dusted. 15-0. Oh, good outlet pass there. Good outlet pass, creating the opportunity. Everyone was expecting the puck to go down the left to Stanzin. Oh, long distance attempt. And with that, we get to the end of period 2. The buzzer sounded as Ladakh skate away with a 15-0 lead.
तो अंपायर्स 15 बनाम 0 की बढ़त और बजर बजता हुआ तीसरा पीरियड शुरू, जहां पर लद्दाख यहां पर दिखाते हुए कि वो कितने गोल मार सकते हैं, इस जज्बे के साथ खेल रहे हैं। फिर से थोड़ी सी धीमी शुरुआत, पर जायज बात है, वार्म अप होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है। फिर से लद्दाख यहां पर 15-0 की बढ़त। विपिन, थोड़ी सी धीमी शुरुआत इस तीसरे क्वार्टर की।
That's right, the kind of fate train action that we've seen in the first two quarters. Quarter 3 definitely a lot slower off the blocks, but just as we speak, adding a little bit to that tempo, Wasim Bilal says, let me work some magic, let me show you how it's done. Some beautiful stick work there. Let's watch that again on your screens. There we go, that quick pass as Wasim Bilal just taps that in gently. Ooh, he's stunned on the speed. Wahib there. Some muscle work off the wall, and the officials letting it play out. Here comes Rajasthan. Can they muster the speed? This time there is some opportunity. Oh, the goalie called into action, and he does his job. He wasn't on snooze mode. Namgale there with a crucial serve.
काफ़ी एक्शन इस तीसरे क्वार्टर में, पर केवल एक गोल, क्योंकि राजस्थान यहाँ पर अपना खेल इम्प्रूव करते हुए, पर यहाँ पर एक और गोल, क्योंकि लगातार राजस्थान के गोलकीपर के इर्द गिर्द गेंद थी, और जब 3 लद्दाखी खिलाड़ी एक साथ आ जाते हैं तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है गेंद का बचना। उन्होंने अच्छा खेल दिखाया, बोलना पड़ेगा कि 17 गोल खाए हैं, फिर भी वो लगातार अटैक में रहे हैं पूरे मुकाबले में और कुछ अच्छे सेव्स दिखाए हैं। उनका जो डिफेंस है राजस्थान का, उसने बहुत कम सपोर्ट दिया है, पर यहाँ पर एक और गोल। 18-0 गोलों की एक छड़ी सी लगाई हुई है लद्दाख ने, और एक लॉन्ग शॉट मारा और गोल पोस्ट के किनारे से लगकर अंदर। राजस्थान के गोलकीपर कुछ नहीं कर पाए वहां पर। राजस्थान फिर से अंडर प्रेशर, क्योंकि बॉल उनके हाफ में है। लद्दाखी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर अग्रेसिव होते हुए और कुछ शॉट्स लगाते हुए, लॉन्ग शॉट्स लगाते हुए, पर यहाँ पर पास आकर एक शॉट लगाया, कुछ लॉन्ग शॉट्स लगाए, कुछ शॉट्स। 18-0 की बढ़त। विपिन, 3 मिनट बाकी है और ये खेल जैसा सोचा जा रहा था लद्दाख का दबदबा रहेगा वैसा ही हुआ।
Just as we hand over the mic, yet another goal for Ladakh, and this time it's another name on the scoreboard. Tamim Rashid. Oh, nice save once again, but in for the tap in. No mistakes there. Let's watch Tenzing Angchuk, his movement away from the puck. The first attempt saved valiantly by Harsh. But he was aware. Tenzing Angchuk scores one, registers a goal for this Ladakhi side. Takes their tally to 20. Last second left. Can they get another attempt? And with that, the buzzer is sounded. The crowd enjoying themselves, enjoying the music, enjoying the display by this Ladakhi side. Definitely the favourites to take the title in the ice hockey discipline.
20-0 से लद्दाख ने ये मुकाबला जीत लिया है।
The ice hockey here in this Khelo India Winter Games between Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh here at Leh Ladakh. Let's have a look at the lineup for Himachal Pradesh. Abhimanyu Sharma, Abhishek Rathore, Tanzin Yeshe, who's the other goalkeeper, Tanzin Zangpo and Tenzin Loksal.
जी हाँ, और चंडीगढ़ की टीम अगर मैं आपको लेकर चलूं तो उनके कप्तान हैं चेतनप्रीत सिंह, बिशानजीत सिंह, जसराज सिंह ढिलन और अकेम सिंह सिद्धू।
The puck is in the hands of the referee who's about to drop it for the face-off. The hooter has been sounded. The first period has now begun with Himachal Pradesh fighting for possession in their own zone. Now going to the neutral zone, passing it to the left. And immediately there is a scuffle. Himachal retrieves the puck, but Chandigarh manages to intercept the pass. The first period is right now on. Himachal has quite a few players from Ladakh, and this time the first shot at the net to the left of the goalkeeper, the goalie, and Chandigarh at the left wing carrying the puck, and immediately the defensive line of Himachal coming to the aid, intercepting the pass, looking for assistance on the right wing.
अभी तक ठीक ठाक मुकाबला देखने को मिला है और यहाँ पर पहला गोल, यहाँ पर एक टीम वर्क और तालमेल दिखा और हमने देखा पहला गोल नेवी स्काई ब्लू टीम हिमाचल प्रदेश के बनाम के खाते में 1-0 की बढ़त और थोड़ा सा फिजिकल मैच यहां पर होता हुआ और साथ ही में क्राउड जब भी कुछ फिजिकल देखने के लिए मिलता है अपनी आवाज और बुलंद करते हुए 1-0 की बढ़त हिमाचल बनाम चंडीगढ़। यहां पर कंसिस्टेंटली चंडीगढ़ के हाफ में अटैक हो रहा है और बार बार चंडीगढ़ के गोलकीपर गेम में आ रहे हैं, अच्छी सेव्स कर रहे हैं, लगातार सेव्स कर रहे हैं।
2 minutes left in this first period of 15 minutes duration. Passing it from wing to wing into the neutral zone, now into the danger zone. Passing it, and the second goal has been scored. Tremendous effort by Himachal Pradesh there. Number 7 on your screen. Kunga Wangpo, let's have a look at the replay there. Tremendous slap shot. Number 18 in fact scored for Himachal Pradesh. Tanzing Tashi. Tanzing Tashi scoring the second goal for Himachal Pradesh, and the first goal by Abhishek Rathore Himachal ahead by 2-0 in this first period. Now the game will resume from the centre line. And immediately Himachal in possession. We are in the neutral zone right now. And the puck has crossed into the danger zone now. The Chandigarh goalkeeper wary of Himachal's offensive line. This time a counter by Himachal again. And the puck in the possession of Chandigarh. Looking to cross the neutral zone, but again losing possession there. Passing it. Number 9, backhanded shot. That's never as strong as a forehand shot. So the hooter has been called and Himachal ahead by 2-0 at the end of the first period. There would be an intermission before the first and the second period. Another view of the ice hockey rink at Leh Ladakh, the NDS Sports Complex. And we can see the score 2-0 ahead. The first goal being scored by Abhishek Rathore and then by number 18 Tanzin Tashi, ensuring that they have a sizable lead at the end of the first period. The puck, of course, has to stay along the ice, and usually the skill is all about keeping the puck on ice. And immediately Chandigarh looking to gain possession but losing it, with the Himachal in the blue uniform doing well. This in the neutral zone, crossing it into the danger zone now, and this time an attempt to goal with a forehand shot, but the goalie of Chandigarh again blocking it. Number 3 of Himachal retrieving the puck. The coach Abhay Dogra of Himachal Pradesh would of course like greater conversion, and this time a cross which was missed by number 18 Tanzin Tashi. Remember, he had scored the second goal for Himachal and losing out on that opportunity. So it's all happening here in this second session on day 1 of the Khelo India Winter Games here at the NDS Sports Complex in Leh Ladakh. Another view of this rink. Some suggestions by the captain of Chandigarh, Chetanpreet Singh, to the referee. It's time for the face-off at the red dot. And immediately Chandigarh looking to take possession, but Himachal again retrieving it. Number 8 passing it to the left. And a back pass there, quite fancy. Himachal Pradesh, a dominant side so far, doing well to pass, and this time a backhanded shot, and again blocked by the goalie of Chandigarh. Fighting for possession there on the right wing, into the danger zone, looking to cross into that crease area, but the defense doing well to clear it.
दोनों ही टीम्स रेफरी के साथ लगातार बात करते हुए 2-0 से आगे, और केवल 54 सेकंड बचे हैं इस पीरियड में.
Well, Chetanpreet Singh, the captain of Chandigarh's men's team, has been substituted and replaced. Not much time left in this second period as Himachal lead by 2-0 against Chandigarh. At the face-off from the red spot, the goalie of Himachal passing it to the defender. He's playing it straight to the left wing. Number 18, Tanzin Tashi, who scored the second goal. This time a long-range slap shot with a backswing, but well blocked by the goalkeeper of Chandigarh, Ujjwal Pratap Singh. And again we're seeing some action in the crease area. Defenders looking to body check as well. Playing it to the centre, number 3 of Himachal, passing it to the right wing. And that's the sound of the hooter, which means that's the end of the second period. And Himachal maintained the lead, which they did in the first period, of 2-0. where the first goal was scored by Abhishek Rathore, number 5, and then by Tanzin Tashi, number 18. So the hooter has been sounded with that. The third period has now begun. Himachal Pradesh in possession inside the danger zone of Chandigarh, and the right wing dribbling, looking to pass it to the centre, loses possession. Defensive line not looking to clear it, and this time playing it toward the neutral zone, again losing possession, and it is the right wing of Himachal Pradesh behind the goal, and another attempt into that crease area by Himachal, fighting for the puck, number 2, Abhimanyu Sharma, and there has been a scuffle. The referee and the linesman coming to the aid. This can be a rough sport as well, unless the on-ice officials don't take direct action, intervene. And you can see the referee there, brave heart I have to say, Ujjwal Pratap Singh of Chandigarh. And immediately possession once again with Himachal Pradesh. Long driven slap shot. Again the goalie in play, Ujjwal Pratap Singh, manages to block it, and a face off to the left of the goalie at that red spot. Number 7, Kunga Wangpo of Himachal Pradesh, looking to fight for possession as the referee drops the puck there, and a lack of clearance by Himachal. Possible chance there with a snapshot, and he does. Number 18, Tanzin Tashi, who has scored his second goal in this 3-0 lead by Himachal Pradesh. Tremendous effort there by Himachal in the blue jersey, in the blue uniform. Tanzin Tashi for Himachal scoring the third goal. Let's have a look at the replay there after the face-off. Number 2 fighting for possession, gives an assist, and Tanzin Tashi does the rest. Number 18, watch how he's able to place the puck to the left of the goalie Ujjwal Pratap Singh and score the third goal for Himachal Pradesh. One of the rare moments where Chandigarh has managed to cross the neutral zone and again loses possession. Another possible chance, and the goalkeeper putting his body in between. We'll have to wait and see what the decision is because of the speed of the puck. Goal is not awarded, so Himachal Pradesh has won this match against Chandigarh by 3-0 thanks to goals by Abhishek Rathore and then 2 goals by Tanzin Tashi, number 18, as they celebrate their victory here at the NDA Sports Complex in Leh Ladakh.
ये देखिए कंफर्मेशन, पहले पीरियड में हिमाचल प्रदेश ने 2 गोल लागे थे, दूसरा पीरियड 0-0 का था और तीसरे पीरियड में वो एक गोल फिर से ताशी द्वारा, जिसने उनको दिलाया 3-0 की विक्ट्री।